So here we have a diagram showing part of a circle with centre O. We're told the radius is 6.4 centimetres, and we're told that major arc AB. Now, major arc AB is the length of this part of the circumference. Let me write that down. That's major arc AB. So it's basically all the way around from A right the way around to B. And it goes with this reflex angle at the centre. We have to calculate the size of that reflex angle. And we know that this major arc is 31.5 centimetres. So let's look at the whole circle, and let's consider if we closed up this gap here so that A and B met down here. Closed it all up. The reflex angle now is a complete turn. It's 360 degrees. And the arc, the major arc, well, we call that the circumference. And we can find the length of the circumference because we know the formula for that. It's pi times the diameter. And we know the diameter is twice the radius. So it's pi times twice 6.4, which is 12.8. So let's put that down. It's 12.8 lots of pi. So we know that's the circumference. And we know that that circumference goes with 360 degrees at the centre. What we're trying to find is the angle at the centre that goes with 31.5 centimetres. So this number goes with 360, so the number 1, if we divide by 12.8 pi to get 1, divide both of these numbers by 12.8 pi, and then to find 31.5 we'll multiply 1 by 31.5, so we'd multiply this by 31.5. It's like saying we've got 5 bananas costing 10 pence, so 1 banana will divide by 5, we'll get 2 pence, and therefore 3 bananas will multiply by 3, so we'll get 6 pence. It's a proportion type thing. So this number goes with 360, 1 will go with 360 divided by 12.8 pi, and 31.5 will go with this number, 360 over 12.8 pi, whatever that is, times 31.5. So that number of degrees. So that's the calculation that needs to be done. So let's try that. 360 divided by 12.8 times pi. Now we'd better put that in brackets. 12.8 times pi, because it's 360 divided by the whole of that, times 31.5. And there it is, 282.00 and so on degrees. Now that will get approximated to 282 degrees, and that's to the nearest degree. So that's the size of reflex angle AOB.